Good afternoon, and I appreciate you joining the Refreshing Point. I hope that you are doing well. Today I will be sharing with you tips on how to neutralize fish odor before cooking. First off, know that truly fresh fish really shouldn't have much of an odor at all. So if you unwrap a package of fish and take a step back from the smell of it, then throw it out because it's probably not fresh. But even the freshest fish can get a bit of stink going in your house once it's cooked. A lot of the smell from cooked fish is because of the cooking method that you use. Frying can cause a massive odor problem, but other techniques, like cooking fish in foil or paper, can put a lid on the problem before it starts. Food experts recommend neutralizing the odor before cooking. Fishy smell actually has a negative effect on the food's taste. Therefore, if you love eating fish and you want to cook it, you may want to know how to get rid of the fishy smell before cooking, but so that it does not affect the taste of the fish. This is an old trick to help remove the fishy smell from freshwater fish naturally and effectively. You just need to dust the fresh fish with salt and turmeric powder. Leave it on for a minimum of a half an hour. Then you can either wash the dusting off or leave it on prior to cooking the fish. Turmeric has the ability to remove the fishy smell naturally and will not affect the taste of the fish. Using lemon juice is one of the best ways to get rid of fishy smell. This home remedy to get rid of fishy odors in fish is fast and effective. Simply take the fresh lemon juice and apply it all over the fish that has been already cleaned. After an hour, dry the fish with a clean paper towel or washcloth. According to research, the citric acid found in lemon juice works to neutralize odors and leaves a pleasant smell. Ginger is another great way to remove that smell. It is natural and effective. You just need to crush a small piece of ginger and then rub it all over the fish. Allow it to sit for half an hour before you cook it. The ginger will also provide the fish with a better taste, while reducing allergens in fish and removing the toxins. Using apple cider vinegar can also work wonders, similar to lemon juice, in getting rid of the fishy smell. You need to mix some apple cider vinegar with fresh water, and then soak the fish in this mixture for about an hour. Next, take the fish out, rinse it off, and dry with some paper towels before cooking it. These same techniques also work well for seafood. While cooking the fish, you can use sesame oil to remove the fishy smell effectively. Sesame oil can help you get rid of the smell quickly. Marinate the fish with some ingredients containing strong scents like cilantro or curry in order to overpower any fishy smells. Use a mixture that includes equal amounts of olive oil, soy sauce, and rice vinegar, plus several teaspoons of grated garlic. Now you can enjoy the delicious taste of your fish without having that unpleasant fish smell lingering. Thank you for watching. Good day and good health.